Hello children, today we are going to start a new lesson 1.2 What and Why We Eat. We all need food. All the living things need food. Okay, now we will come to know what are the topics that we will learn in this lesson. Okay children, so first point we will learn why do we need food. Different food groups, roughage, importance of water, balanced diet, cooking food, preservation of food. And today the topics that we will discuss is why do we need food? What are nutrients? And we will also come to know about the different food groups. And among the food groups, there are carbohydrates, proteins, fats. This lesson we will learn only about carbohydrates, proteins and fat. Okay, so let's start. In the picture you can see the somebody is playing, another one person, he is not well, he is fighting against the diseases. And apart from that, you can also see the picture of some growing children. There is a small baby who is crawling. Next pic, and one boy, he is playing with the ball, and another one with the blue color pant, he is a grown up boy. Right children? So children, why do we need food? Number one, to give us energy. Children, you will come to the school, you will learn, you will play, you will do different types of physical activities, you will travel. For all those, you need lots of energy. Who will give you the energy, children? Food will give us the energy. Okay. Next is the to make new body cells, or it can help us to grow. Whenever you are born, you was a small baby. After that you become a toddler. Now you are a grown up children. After that you will become young people. Okay, so who will help you to grow? The food will help you to grow, and it will also make the new body cells. Next, third point, to fight infection and to protect us from the diseases. Children, if we will not take the food properly, we will be suffering from different types of diseases. Like children, I am giving you one example that the people who will not prefer to eat the milk, they will be having weak bones. Okay, it means weak bones, they will be having different types of diseases. So to fight against the diseases, we need proper food. So how can we summarize, children? If anybody will ask you why do we need food, you can say food will give us energy, it helps us to grow, and it will also help us to protect from different kinds of diseases. Now children, we will learn about different food groups. Okay, so the food that we eat has many substances. Our body needs those substances to grow and to be healthy and strong. Okay children, so the substances that are needed by our body for proper growth and health are called the nutrients. Okay, and you can define in another way also. The nutrient is a chemical substance in the food which help us to maintain the proper body functioning and to fight against the diseases. Okay, so now I will tell you the few functions of the nutrients, like it will help us to repair our body, it will give us energy to work, it will help us to grow, and it will also help us to protect us from falling sick and different kinds of diseases. Okay, children. So there are different nutrients that will be present in our food. On the basis of this, the food can be divided into different groups. In this picture, you can see the main nutrients that our body needs are carbohydrates for energy, proteins for growth and repair, fat, it will also give us energy, vitamins and minerals, they will help us to fight against the diseases. Okay, children, so there are 4 food groups: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Each nutrient is necessary for our body and they should be present in a proper quantity. Suppose you are taking lots of carbohydrates but you are not taking protein. Okay, if you will not take protein, your body will not grow properly. Understand? Okay, suppose you are eating lots of protein food. It will grow, but you need also energy to work. For that, you need carbohydrate. So, all these nutrients should be present in the food in a proper quantity. So, human beings need to consume a balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet in which all the nutrients will be present in the proper amount. Okay, now we will discuss about the carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? They are the energy giving food. Like children, in the picture you can see rice, chapati, aloo or potato, bread with the sugar. These all are the rich sources of the carbohydrates. Okay, the rice, wheat, these are rich in starch. Okay, sugar and starch, they are the carbohydrates. They are needed by our body to get quick energy. So, we can also tell them the energy giving food. Children needs lot of carbohydrates, and the people who will do a lot of physical work like rickshaw puller, laborer, farmer, sportsman, they need lot of carbohydrates because it will give them good energy. Cereals like rice, wheat, maize are rich in carbohydrates. So are the foods that are made from cereals such as bread, chapatis, dosa. It will also give you the energy. And right now I told vegetables like potato, fruits like banana, pineapple, they are also rich in food. Okay, so while eating the food, choose the whole grains like rice, wheat, then fruits. Understand? And I will suggest you to avoid the refined carbohydrates, means maida. or refined flour. We will make the pastries, soft drinks from that. So children, we have to avoid the refined carbohydrates. They are not good for our health. Okay children? Next is the protein, that is called the bodybuilding food. In the picture you can see the chicken, fish, different kinds of dals. Okay, these all are rich in proteins. So food like milk, eggs, cheese, fish, meat, beans and pulses, they are rich in proteins. Food rich in proteins are called the bodybuilding food, or they are the proteins. Why we need proteins? They are needed by our body to build the muscles, to grow and to repair the tissues. Young children like you need more protein food. Why? Because you have to grow up. Your body parts should grow up. Okay. Apart from that, we make these proteins will make your hair, nails, eye, skin, muscles, etc. Now children, we will learn about the fat. So, you all know that we need oil to cook. Okay, then you will eat the butter and bread. With pizza you will eat the cheese. You will be eating different kinds of nuts. These all are rich in the fat. Fat will give more energy than the carbohydrate. Okay, so what are the function of fats, or why do we need fats? It will provide energy, it will protect some organs, and one more thing, fat will make your skin very glow, and it will also gives a very good texture and flavor to the food. So okay children, hereby today's session is being finished, and thank you for hearing me.